Good morning.
Good morning.
Marley.
Good morning.
Good morning, Vietnam.
We've had a very relaxed morning. I went on a morning walk. I went on a morning walk in the rain, and now we're going on a little day trip to see the waterfall. Oh my god. They're so loud. Anyways, we're going on like a day trip to see the waterfalls. I don't know, there's not really that much to see on this island, to be honest. Yeah, the weather's also really not that great, but we might as well go see some stuff and eat some good food. So that is the plan. This is what I'm wearing. Bit of a risky outfit, but whatever. But yeah, here is everyone today.
Let me show you one.
What is that?
That's the the car thing. That's probably in Thai. Fucking,
it's gone through.
That probably says get fucked in Thai or something.
Oh. Ew.
Oh, they're bad.
Yeah, they smell.
No, they fucking
Yes,
don't.
they do.
They do really bad.
They do. Oh, there it is. Where's the vagina?
I like cock, lady by cock.
Keep your hands still. Right there, on the knob, you're on it. You can use her all clean. He's actually got good men's rings. Sick rings.
Oh.
Hello?
Yeah, that's horrible.
What are you saying, Bob? You want to wet me up or what?
That's so good. It's really good. What is it? What is it made out of?
I'm running low, I'm running away. It'd be so easy just to go ahead and quit. Never told you that, never taught you to split. In the distance it's a coast, call it a win. I'm running low, I'm running thin.
Not pull them over.
No, that's fucking mad disrespectful, bro. I don't know much about culture, but I think that's probably.
I think I peed a little bit. I'm not joking.
That's it, they're going in sport mode.
Or I need to go pee before someone makes me laugh again.
Yeah, why is that all red? That looks weird.
Yeah, it does.
You think it's alive?
No, it's the roots of the tree.
They're all above ground there, though. It's mad.
What's this? Patsy? Oh, that's for me. That's for me.
I had pancakes.
Thank you.
As well.
Oh my god.
Biggest salad you've ever seen.
Shit, that actually looks like a fucking English sausage, bro. Hello, I'm get in there.
I don't know. So we made it to the waterfall now. This is like Na Muang waterfall or something. I don't really know. I'll keep you updated how it is. We just had lunch. It was so good. I had pad see ew. It's my first time I've ever had pad see ew. It was delicious. It's like this because of the rain.
When's it gonna be finished?
Maybe.
Next week.
Jasmine was being silly, and she climbed on the rock, and then she fell
Vlogging.
on her ass.
I felt my shorts are like drenched.
Hey, what are you saying? You want to smoke or what?
Should we get some?
Wouldn't mind just testing.
Oh, I smell it now. Don't you smell it? Wait,
really
let's do
smell
it. Let's do a taste test.
Have you got 100 baht?
I pay for it.
Yeah, you pay for it.
Oh my god. What if I don't like it?
Oh, it smells like actual fucking asshole.
Yeah.
I don't think that smells too bad. It kind of just smells like mango, banana mixed together and a little bit old, like 2 days old.
I'm actually so excited to try this. It actually stinks.
Let me smell.
Wait. Ricardo, take one so we can try it together.
Doesn't taste very
3,
good.
2, 1.
It's like just a mango without flavour.
I don't know how to feel.
Give me a little bit more.
It's not that bad.
It's not. It's edible.
If I was starving on a deserted island, I'd eat this.
Of course. I've eaten worse things in my life. How'd you go? Did you get what you wanted?
Do you want to try some? No.
Too
You
bad.
can have a bit of the little one.
Just, yeah.
Oh
What? Don't eat that. Anything about them, no. You going right?
Oh, there's an aftertaste. Can I put it back, please?
See if old mate wants it. He might want it. Hey, mate.
Sir, do you want to try some?
Oh, he's really good looking for an old man. Like if he had more hair.
Alright, I just had to do some shopping. This is what I just copped. Let me show you guys. I got the skirt. Or piece of cloth, basically. But I can use it at the beach and I can use it as a skirt and a dress, I think, actually. We're at the Big Buddha now. It's like sunset time. There it is. Hi! Ricardo.
Swim shorts. I need to grab another quick pair of.
Swim shorts. Oops. Sorry. Hi guys, so we're home now and we're just gonna have like a super chilled evening. We are gonna watch the beach and then just have an early night, I think, because we have a ferry to Koh Phangan tomorrow and Koh Phangan is gonna be crazy. Basically, we go tomorrow, which is the 6th of December. On the 7th there's the jungle party and then on the 8th is the full moon party. And we're meeting so many friends there. It's just gonna be like so much fun. I actually can't wait, but it's gonna be some crazy days. gonna be insane. I probably won't sleep for like the next 4 nights. So that's why we're all just, you know, taking it chill tonight. Also, while we do have a nice villa, like we might as well take advantage. So yeah, but today has been so fun. Like I think, honestly, Koh Samui has been my least favorite destination in Thailand so far. Like there's really not that much to do here. It's not that great. I think everything's a little bit overpriced. We've had some really good food, but I've had good food everywhere in Thailand, so that doesn't count. Yeah, so just keep that in mind if you come here. Like I wouldn't really recommend. It's just, this has just been like a nice little chilled thing for us to do. But I've had like the funniest day ever. It was hilarious. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll start the new one tomorrow when we go to Koh Phangan. I'm so excited. But yeah, we're all just gonna have a really chilled evening and watch the beach, which is filmed in Koh Phi Phi, where I was a couple days ago. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. My channel is growing so much right now. It's like so exciting, and I'm just very grateful. And yeah, I love you guys.